How to make price catalogs of department store in Microsoft Excel. It's very easy. Today we'll learn how to make price catalog of any kinds of products which is available in your stores, and you can make a data entry software using your Microsoft Excel. It's very simple. Today we'll learn about that. Hello everyone, it's Dipesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and do like, share and subscribe. So without any let's begin our tutorial. First of all, you have to select some cells and you have to merge this one, okay, and from here also you have to merge this one like this, and for this also you have to merge, okay. Now first of all you have to put your department store name or your shop name. First of all I'll put ABC department store, and after this I'll put the address. So I'll put this one, Kathmandu, Nepal. Another I'll put price catalog of goods. Of products, okay. Oh, it's the spelling is mistakes, that's why I'm changing this one. Price catalog of products. First of all I'll put serial number, then another is product ID, okay, product name, product price, product production date, product product expiry date, and another is product remaining dates. Sorry, just wait for a moment. I think it's simple for me. So I think we need to put only remarks here, okay. And for this you have to select all the cells and you have to make it bold, and I'll increase the column width from the insert, and I'll go in the format, and I'll go in column width. From here I'll make it 15, okay. For this one, this is still like this, okay. And after this I'll start to increase the font size. I'll make it 30. I'll make it 15. I'll make it 26. I'll make it 35. And from here I'll start to put some data. First of all I'll put 1 and 2, and for this one first of all we need to select this one both. After this we need to increment this one from the corner. We need to increment this one like this, and for the product ID you have to put P101, okay, P102, just wait for a moment. You just select both and we need to increment this one like this. And for the product name you can use some product name. First of all I'm putting Coke, Fanta, Sprite, Mirinda, Pepsi, okay. Then another is Slice, Mango juice, Apple juice, Orange juice, coconut water, okay, like this. And for the product price we need to put price. First of all, I'm putting here the 45, 65, 45, 42, 41, 65, 42, 45, 74, 85, 74, 89. Okay, only like this. And for the product production date, it means manufacture date, I'm putting 2018. Okay, 4, 5. Okay, I'm putting same date for each product, but it can be different for your business, but I'm putting same date for just example. And for the product expiry date, we need to put 2018. Okay, 12, 5. Okay, I just put this one like this. Then from here I start to increment. Okay, for the remarks, here I'll put some notes, important notes, but for this the example I don't have any kinds of note, that's why I'm leaving this blank. Okay, so first of all we need to make it center like this, and we need to start to make it use some color. First of all, I'll use this type of color here, and here also I'll put this kind of color, and from here I'll start to use this kind of color. Just wait for a minute, just press the control and you have to select like this. Okay, like this you have to select this one, and after this you have to choose the color. So I'm choosing this one, so I'm choosing this one like this. And here you have to choose, you have to select this one. And we are making data entry software. If you put the product name and the product price will be display. Okay, so first of all you have to select both, and after this you have to copy. Okay, so I'm pasting here, but you can paste anywhere. Okay, but I'm pasting this, but I'm pasting this one here. Okay, so I'm pasting this one here. And for the product price you have to use a formula, is called to vlookup, bracket open, and first of all you have to click in product name. Okay, and then comma, and after this you have to select the range. So your range is product name and price, right? That's why you have to select the product name and price. So, and how much product you want to add, you have to select all the product name and price. Okay, so I am putting all the product here, that's why I am selecting all the product name and price. Okay, so after this you have to separate by comma. After this you have to count the column. So our column is 1, right? 1, 2. So it means our coke price is in the column number 2. That's why we have to put here column number 2. But don't count from serial number, right? Just you have to count from the select area. Okay, after this you have to start to count the row number. The row number is not from here, just you have to count from the selective area. Okay, so it will count from 0. That's why 0, 1, 2, 3 like this. That's why the coke price is in the row number 0. That's why I'm putting here in the row number 0. And after this you have to close one bracket like this and just press enter. Okay, now it's done. After this you can use just wait for a moment, and just go here in the cook, and after this just go in data and click in data validation. Okay, data validation. After this you have to select list. Okay, and you have to choose source. Your source is product name, right? That's why you have to select the product name, all the product name like this. Okay, so our source is product name, or just product name. We need to choose like this. Okay, so after this you have to click in OK. Okay, see now the drop down menu also coming here, and if you want to know the Pepsi price, and you have to click in Pepsi. See, the Pepsi price also changing here, right? And if you want the coconut water price, you have to click in the coconut water. Then see, the coconut water also working. So you can make this kind of software using the Microsoft Excel. It's very easy. So if you want also this template in free of cost, I'm giving you the download link in the video description. Please check that link. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press in the bell icon. If you didn't press in the bell icon, you will not get any notification from my YouTube channel. And in the last, I want to tell you, and if you have any queries or if you have any suggestions for my YouTube channel, please give me suggestion and queries in the comment section, and I'll meet with you in another video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.